Today we're going to bring in a portable air compressor, and this is perfect for the road or pretty much anywhere. Look how compact it is. This is the actual system itself. It comes with everything that you see in here, including the bag. Instructions are very important because it tells you the defaults on the actual system itself for bikes, motorcycles, and cars, and other stuff too. Now, they also include the actual extra attachments that you see here, and this is the actual hose that you're going to need to actually set up to the system to any that you want to put air on, either a ball, a basketball, a car wheel, or a bike wheel. Now, they do give you the actual charging parts, all right? The USB Type-C to Type-C. I'm going to use this today to inflate two different devices, but I'm going to show you a couple things. There is an LED light. To turn it on, you got to turn on the power button first, all right? Hold on the power button until you see the PSIs and all that stuff come up. Now, there is default. There's a minus, a plus, and power. And then also here, here's the lamp. If you guys can see, we're going to turn it on. And look at that. Super bright lamp. So you can use this for your car. I will keep this in my car every time I travel for emergency. Not just the light itself, but you go also charge other devices to your cell phone. Also, if you run out of battery, this could be a portable charging station too also. If you guys can see, this is where the air sucks in and then it pushes out. To turn it off, hold on the power button to turn off the light, and then change it to different cycles. If you guys can see, this is a car default, all right? A motorcycle default, a bike default, and this is a basketball, all right? These are the PSIs that you're going to require, all right? And this is 41, just in case you need it. So right now, we are going to do a bike first, all right? And see how well it works. We're going to set it to the bike. We're going to set this up. I'm going to tighten it up. There's nothing to lose, so I don't have no air at all. So let's go ahead and power it up. We're going to power it up. Hold on the button, and it turns on. Now, we're going to cycle to the bike, all right? So that's car, motorcycle, and there's a bike, and all you got to do is hit the power one on, and that's it. Look at this. Automatically. So this thing filled it up really quick. I had to stop it because it went a little bit over, but you can adjust it how you want, right? And so every PSI is different, every bike's different. Make sure you follow the instructions first on your bike. All right, we're gonna inflate our basketball with this. So the needle goes in, you twist it in, all right? Just make sure you twist it in. Once we set it up, it's flat, completely flat. If you guys can see the side of it, we just stick the needle in there, and then you power it up. There it goes. You can see how many PSIs we have. Strong, ready to play basketball. All right, so we're gonna turn it on and we're gonna switch it to the car mode, all right? Lock it in place. And you're gonna see the RPMs in here. That's pretty much it. Very simple. So if you can see, I put my longer cable here. It says it's going to be charging. It's going to take about an hour, but we'll take the charge, right? And you can see physically how much is charging right there, right? So I'm using my own cable because it's a little longer than the one that it came with, but it works very well with any cable that you have. Just make sure if you're going to use a cable, it has to be a supercharged cable for your Droid or for an iPhone. But for regular, it could be a 5 volts. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.